So in this Fiverr tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to get $100 off your order on the Fiverr mobile application. So once Fiverr's opened up, what I want you to do is actually locate your referral code or your, I guess, rewards code. So go to one of two ways. Go to the home screen here. If you were to scroll down a little bit to where it says share and get up to $100 off, give friends a 10% discount up to $100 off their first order. And this also, I do believe, applies to you as well. So they get a 10% discount, you get a 10% discount up to a maximum of $100 off. So if you hire someone for $1,000, you get 10% off. That's $100 in savings just by inviting people and referring friends that way. So press on invite friends, share the link with people. If it's not here for whatever reason, go to the bottom right, press on the profile page, then press on invite friends. Press invite friends right here to share the link because as I mentioned before, you can get $100 off. So if you were to go ahead to the main screen here and search for like a logo design, for example, look at the prices here. Like in this case, you can get $100 off potentially if it's anything over or close to $1,000 here. So you get 10% off on a lot of these things, which is pretty crazy in regards to savings. But pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can get $100 off your order on the Fiverr mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.